Not all home improvement projects are created equal. So if you want to find out which types of remodeling project creates the best returns, then keep watching. Number 1 is a new roof. Water damage and stains on ceilings are major red flags for buyers. If you want top dollar for your home, make sure the roof is in good shape. Some signs that the roof might need work are missing shingles, water leaking when it rains, or stains on ceilings. Number 2 is hardwood floorings. Hardwood floorings are absolutely wonderful upgrades, but if hardwood flooring is out of the budget, try using luxury vinyl planks. They look great, are easy to keep clean, and very popular among current buyers. Number 3 is an HVAC system. Obviously, many people prefer an AC system in their homes, and especially here in Hawaii where summer temperatures can get very, very high, make sure that your HVAC system is running efficiently and smoothly. It would be so much easier for the buyer to say yes to your house if you have a great HVAC system. Number 4 are new appliances. It's always a big plus to have a great appliances in your potential home if you're trying to buy. If the refrigerator is not cooling very well, or if one of the burners on the cooktop is not working, perhaps it's not a bad idea to replace the unit, especially if the appliance is a major kitchen appliance. You can't go wrong with putting in new appliance.